This is what you get on your iPhone or iPad by the end of this video. Along with installing AltStore on Windows, I have shown how to sign and re-sign apps on AltStore so you can keep using them for a long time. This is a completely free process for sideloading apps on an iPhone running iOS 26. Let's just start this process. This is an AltStore Windows tutorial. I will show you how to download and install Altserver on Windows and then install AltStore on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 26. If you have a Mac computer, let me know in the comments below if you want a Mac tutorial. I will make one. You may be wondering why I am showing the AltStore method now and why not the other ones available. First, those free methods get revoked after you install them for a few days, and you have to wait a long time for them to work again. That's not the case with the AltStore. One more thing you need to know that Apple is now strict about sideloading apps on iOS 26 firmware. Many paid sideloading apps have stopped working, including FlexStore and others. Apple is a little polite on free methods for now, and you can enjoy sideloading for free until Apple comes after you. Let's start the process. Before that, if you are new to my channel, hit the like and the subscribe buttons. First, we need to download 3 required things for this AltStore Windows download: Altserver Windows, iCloud and iTunes from the Apple's website, not from the Microsoft Store. You can get all these from one place only. First, open the browser and search for AltStore Windows Tech Acrobat. Go to this website. Scroll down and you will get the required things. To download the Altserver Windows version to your computer, click it and it will start downloading the zip file. Once that is completed, download iTunes and iCloud from below. These are from the Apple website. In case you have already installed these from Microsoft Store, uninstall them and download them again from the Apple website. I have already downloaded all the required files. Here is my folder. First, you need to install iTunes and then iCloud to your computer. Once both of these are installed, restart your computer. It's a must, guys. I have already installed these and restarted my computer, so I will just proceed further from here. You need to follow these steps completely. Now, I will move forward to install AltStore iOS 26 on iPhone. First, extract the downloaded Altserver zip file. Open the extracted folder and double-click the setup file to install. Guys, if you have made this far in this video, hit the like and the subscribe buttons for more iOS related videos. Once it's installed on your computer, click on the start menu and you will find it there. Click on it and you will see a little Altserver icon at the bottom right system tray on your computer screen. The Altserver is installed on our computer. So now I will show you how to install AltStore iOS 26 on an iPhone from a Windows computer. Connect your device to the computer and make sure your iPhone or iPad on the same Wi-Fi network as your computer to install AltStore. Also, tap on the trust button in the pop-up on your iPhone or iPad. Now, to get AltStore iOS 26 on iPhone, click on Altserver icon in the system tray. There is an option to install AltStore. Hover your mouse pointer on it and it will show your device's name. Click on that to install the AltStore. As you click on it, it will ask you for Apple ID credentials. Sign it with your Apple ID and password. Your Apple ID will be used to sign or re-sign your applications with the AltStore. Just in case you have two-factor authentication enabled for your Apple ID, you need to put in the code while logging in from your computer for verification. A pop-up with the code will appear on your device's screen when you turn on the screen. Write that code in here and proceed. After that, the AltStore will start installing on your iPhone. You will also see a little pop-up on your computer screen that AltStore is installing. It will take a little time. Just in case you see a pop-up on your computer screen that AltStore is already installed, just click on the OK button. Remember one thing, in case you see an error, the login session timeout, all you need to do is to open iTunes on your computer first and then try again installing AltStore on your iPhone. Let me put my device on the side. As you can see guys, the AltStore is installed on my device. Smash the like and the subscribe buttons if you have it. Now if I try to open it, it won't open at first. I need to trust this. For that, go to settings, then in general, tap on VPN and device management, tap here and trust the AltStore. Also, enable the developer mode from the settings. Now I can open it. Just go through the starting process. As you can see, it's working fine. The AltStore iOS 26 has been successfully installed on my device. Thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you have got it too. Now I will show you how to install apps using AltStore iOS 26 on your iPhone or iPad. We need an IPA file to install on our device using AltStore. I have already downloaded on my device. Let's just install it. Before you install any app with the AltStore, make sure your device is connected to the computer and that both are on the same Wi-Fi network. Make sure these things first, then proceed to sideload the app. Tap on My Apps section here, then tap on the plus icon at the top. This page shows all the apps you can install on your device using the AltStore. Just tap on the file you want to install and it will start installing on your device. The AltStore will ask you to enter your Apple ID and password when you are installing the first app. Enter the credentials and proceed. It will start installing the app. Guys, if you see AltStore vector too long error while installing an app, go to your computer and disable any antivirus or Windows Defender. Let me do that and the installation will work fine. As you can see guys, the app is successfully installed on my device with the AltStore and it's working fine. This is how to install apps with AltStore on an iPhone or iPad. Now, the last thing I will show you is how to re-sign the apps with the AltStore. As you can see in the My Apps section, it states 7-day expiry. The installed apps will expire after 7 days on a free developer account. As I mentioned earlier, it's a free method available on all iOS versions, especially iOS 26. However, if you have an older version, AltStore is the best option for you. I have already uploaded detailed videos for those, you can watch them. The links are in the description below. Let's suppose guys, there is only 1 day left before the apps here expire. You need to re-sign them to keep them working on your device. To re-sign the apps, first connect your device to the computer. Ensure your device and computer are on the same Wi-Fi network and make sure the Altserver is running on your computer. Now tap on the refresh all button on your device and the expiry date will reset back to the 7 days again. There is also a method to re-sign AltStore apps automatically without the need of a computer. The apps will re-sign automatically in the background. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to make that video as well. Also, hit the subscribe button so when it comes out, you can get a notification. This is how to install AltStore iOS 26 on an iPhone on a Windows computer. If you face any issues, comment below so I can help you out. Thank you for watching.